Hey guys, subscribe, back to another video. Today, my dad is gonna be showing. He's gonna be sharpening a knife. Well, so he got this new machine. Like he puts his knife on there and he sharpens it. He's gonna show us how to sharpen a knife really, really good, and it looks awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so what we're doing is taking this old Benchmade mini Griptilian and polishing it and sharpening it too. So, I don't know if you can see that mirror finish on there on the bevel. Is it focusing?
Yeah.
There we go. So, that's what a polished edge looks like, and we're going to polish it further. This is how it comes from the factory. This is a different knife. And it looks good, but you can see that there are teeth, or there's grind marks on the silver bevel part. So here's the difference. Let's see if that'll focus. One is shiny, the left, and the other bevel is dull. It's hard to see on the camera because they both look shiny, but the one on the left is really, really shiny. So, we're going to continue on with that. You want to get on this chair here?
Sure. That juice stuff that came from it that spilled on the chair?
Yeah.
Is that okay to sit on?
Yeah.
It's wet because when the knife sharpens, like these juicy parts come off of it.
Not juice, it's stone. This is a wet stone. See the water going on the top? And I'm going to put the knife on there, this is with a jig, and you can see the water going across the blade.
You can see it's like hopping on the blade, like it's saying, "What's up, bro?"
That's how we know where the stone is working on the blade.
And where the good spot is.
So right now, what I'm trying to do is raise a burr on the edge of the blade. And once we get a burr raised, we can go over to the Japanese Waterstone, which is a finer grit, 4000 grit. Right now I'm feeling for that burr. So we got it about here, not there, got it here, here, not there, not there. So we want to get a burr, which is a little wiry edge on the very end of the blade. We want to get that all the way across.
It looks like there's little holes in it, but actually it's not, because in my point of view, it's actually just water on it, water droplets.
So we want to go slow because this stone can take off a lot of material. We don't want to
ruin the knife.
We don't want to ruin the knife or shorten the longevity of the steel. You notice I'm not putting any pressure on the blade. I'm just letting the stone do its work. And the fact that it has water on there, it doesn't heat up the blade. Let's check it. Got a burr there. You're not going to be able to see it. I mean, I can see it, but I'm not going to be able to see it with a camera.
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
You can?
Yeah.
I don't think so, buddy. I can barely
No, I'm
see
zoomed
it.
in.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's way too much.
Yeah, we got it all the way across. Okay, so pause it, and then I'll put on this, not stop, but pause. Can you do pause?
No.
Okay, we can merge them together. I'll take this stone off. Right? Okay. Alright, so I can just show you the... I can take off the Japanese Waterstone, or take this one off, put the stone on, y'all can see that.
So he's going to unscrew that. Move that away.
The water trough.
Don't want to drink that. Probably get sick and die.
Yeah, it wouldn't feel great in your stomach, but you probably wouldn't die. The Japanese Waterstone, this is 4,000 grit.
And the other one is 1,000, right?
Yeah, 1,000, and then you can turn it down to make it 220.
220 sounds really low.
220 is for reprofiling.
A jacked up knife?
Yeah, exactly. So the higher number grit you go, the smoother it's going to make it.
Like if you find a jacked up knife on the road and it's like run over by a bunch of cars, you have to use the 220 and then to sharpen it, and then after that you move to the 1,000. After that you use the Japanese sharpener and you move to 4,000.
Yeah, Japanese is 4,000. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water in there in the trough. And I'm gonna let this run for a minute and let the Japanese Waterstone soak up some water.
Wait, that's actually regular water?
Yeah.
Never knew that.
Yeah, I mean you can feel it. It's real soft. If you wanna put your finger on there, you can.
Oh wow, that feels cool.
Mm-hmm.
Should I go wash my hands?
Oh God. So this is the fine grater stone, and I'm just going to use this to clean the top of it. And it also makes it real smooth. So we'll just do this about 15 or 20 seconds.
And you don't want to use it on the rocky side.
That's how you take the 1,000 stone down to 220.
Oh.
Yeah, but you're right. You never want to use the coarser side on the Japanese stone. You only use the fine side. All right. So.
Or you screwed up big time.
Everything's the same. Everything's the same. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take the guide down just a couple of turns.
If y'all didn't see that, well, I didn't really either.
And now we got that nice burr all the way across.
Can I feel that nice burr again?
Yeah. Remember, just go that way. Feel it?
It feels like a little wire.
Feels like a little wire, exactly. Now, boys and girls, you never want to rub your finger this way. You don't want to do that.
No, and do not try this at home.
Don't try this at home. You want to parent around whenever you're handling knives or anything like that. So.
Or a professional.
All right, so we got the burr on this edge. So what we're going to do is polish it. So we're going to flip it over to knock that burr down, and that should make it sharp. We're going to go real slow, not apply any pressure. Just let the stone do its work.
As y'all can see, the water wasn't rising up and now it's rising up onto it.
And that's how you know it's working on the blade.
If it's not rising up for like a minute, then you're angling it wrong. What kind of angle do you want to put it on? Like a 20-degree angle?
This one is probably around 30 degrees, which is how much on each side.
Which is how much on each side?
Mm-hmm. If it's a 30-degree total bevel.
150.
15.
115.
Just 15.
Oh, 50. Okay.
So it knocked it down a little bit, which is good, but we need to keep on going some more. Sleep in there. You hit me with this thing right here. You hit me with that thing. She was doing a couple passes, and we're going to check it each time. Still feel it down here a little bit. Still feeling it quite a bit, so that's alright. We'll just keep going slow.
Slowly but steady wins the race.
That's right.
Well, this is not a race at all. Well, yeah, we're racing to show you and put it on YouTube. This thing right here is beeping red.
It's recording.
Oh. Yeah, I'm not using my hands. I'm using this thing. So I can go like this. Tessa! Tessa! There you go. I know it's a bit bad camera work, just I'm new to this thing. So the cool breeze feels good on my legs. There's your note.
I'm getting close. One pass on the other side.
Oh, that's way too many. What kind of knife is that? CWS?
Chad Louis Flash. It's my name, my initials.
Oh, nice. Where'd you design it at?
You can do it on Benchmade's website. It's a Benchmade Mini Griptillion.
Benchmade Mini Griptillion. Write that down on a sheet of paper if you like knife sharpening, or you like knives.
Okay. All right. So that bevel's done. Or the bar is gone. So now let's take it over to the paper and we'll do the paper test. Okay, go ahead and stop it. All right. So we got the blade.
No. Okay, go.
We got the blade nice and sharp. And it is ready for the paper test. So we'll go over here to the workbench.
And if you try this at home, don't use paper. Wow, that cuts sharp.
Yep.
Don't use paper it's useful. Use like regular scrap paper. If you do construction paper, it's just gonna damage your knife. So I wouldn't try doing construction paper.
You're really close to it, but as you can see, it is
Really sharp.
can actually go on cuts on cuts.
That was like the best one.
Yeah, it's good. It is.
Clean.
It's kind of, this paper is really
Tough.
now it's wet. So it's good to go.
And that's how you know when you got your sharpened knife. See you guys later. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.